Hi, in this video we're going to repair a couple of dead PS4 controllers. And the model number of the controller is greatly helpful there. There are a number of possible USB boards that might be in your controller, so it's best to pull it out to ID it. And here are the two batteries from Amazon, and along with a screwdriver and a separation tool. And here are JDS 055 micro USB boards. Got one out. Some success kind of squeezing it here on both ends. Kind of squeeze it. You have a tendency to go back together again once you pull them apart. There. Finally. There it is. So next we need to pull this connector off the board, and we have two halves. So next we lift this little white lever up and then pull it out. Now this plastic sheet, there's a piece of tape on there, I'm going to call it foam tape. You can keep that in place if you want. This seat's underneath here, so you pull it out this way. And I may as well take this out. It's in the way. And now we can remove that USB board with the Phillips screwdriver they provided. Okay, there's a piece of tape here that's kind of holding on. Pull that. Pull it. Goes right like this. Okay, we're done with the USB. Now let's change out the battery. A little prying tool like this helps. Kind of underneath here. Oh, there is a little guide. Battery guide wire. Okay, now we can plug this in just like so. And put our two halves together. There they are. And put the 4 screws back in. We'll plug it into a phone charger right now. Now we hit the button. That's the functioning light. And it should go off after a few seconds. We're done. Let's test them. The blue light, it's unplugged, indicates that it is communicating and operating. That's a thumbs up. Shoot, we're watching here.
I am doing something.
And the solid red indicates a second controller is working. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.